This mill is what we use here for our black diamond finish. Any parts that we have coming back from black anodizing that are going to be turned into black diamond are all going to come here. Each part is going to have its own specific fixture and program to run on this machine. When each part is loaded onto its fixture, it's located with screws, pins, dowels, or any combination of those three. Once the fixture is then loaded into the machine, a probe will then check the part for a few locations to ensure that it's in the correct position for accuracy. If for some reason the accuracy or location of one of those parts was incorrect, the machine would stop there. If it's approved as in a good location, the machine would then go ahead and complete the rest of the machining process. The black diamond process only takes off an extremely small amount of material, basically just removing the anodizing to show the polished aluminum underneath. Once the part has been completed, the machine will then remove that tray or that fixture back out of the machine. The parts can be cleaned and then sent off to polishing. Let's head over to another mill and see our one and done start to finish process there.